Sidra. I make modest fashion, hijabi fashion, healthcare and beauty videos. If you want to find out more, subscribe. This is the channel, DoctorInstyle. If you're new here, I'm going to tell you a bit about myself. I'm a medical doctor, but I love fashion and I love hijabi fashion. Anything modest, that's my line. Any health tips for hijabis, if you want to be healthy, if you want to look beautiful, this is what I make. I make videos about beauty, about healthcare, skincare. Today we're going to be talking about modest fashion. I've got for you 10 tips how to improve your outfits and how to look modest, and some outfit tips, hacks and lifesavers. So I would start up with a quote. In the world full of Kardashians, you want to be Khadija. Nowadays people think if you dress modestly, it has to be some part of religion. Of course, as Muslims, we do dress modestly, but there are also other people or other religions, other movements who like to dress modestly and don't like to show lots of skin. The other things is if anybody has a healthcare issue, they do also want to cover themselves. Underwear as an outwear has become trend amongst many celebrities who are bringing this type of fashion to daily lives. For example, Madonna, in 90s, Kim Kardashian nowadays, and this is seen as a symbol of female empowerment. And we are on the other side. We do like to show empowerment by dressing modestly and showing off our other potential features. Today I've got 10 tips for hijabis and also for non-hijabis who like to dress modestly. So let's jump right in. Of course, it is more easier to dress modestly when you layer, for example in cool winter months. Number one, I will start to talk about long line blazers. So this is what I'm wearing today, especially in the summer. The long line blazers, particularly in the pastel colors such as this, are very much on trend. Long line blazers, for example, this one is from Zara. They really look chic with any classic base. If you want, you can combine it with a white base like I will be showing you today, or with a black base, and you will always look classy and stylish. The benefit of long line blazers is that they cover you below the buttocks, below your thighs, and also some of them are oversized. If you do not want to go for oversized fit and you want to go for more sort of exact fit like I'm wearing today, you probably want to choose the size right to you. If you want to go for oversized fit, you can also shop in a men's section, which will give you more choice to your sizing if you are a curvy girl. And if you are a skinny girl, you have so much choice in women's section where you can choose any size and go for oversized. Especially this is a part of Y2K fashion and lots of vintage looks. You can also visit thrift stores to get perfect oversized blazer, and you will always look trendy, stylish. Combine it with baguette handbag or with a small little clutch and you will look on. Tip number 2 is, instead of wearing long sleeve or halter neck top, use tube sleeves. For example, these are the tube sleeves, so they are perfect alternative to long sleeve top. You can wear this under the short sleeve t-shirt, 3/4 sleeves tunics and dresses, and often these are from linen elastic fabric. And if you cannot get your hands on them, they are sold in Islamic shops, but if you cannot get your hands on them, there's alternative, this kind of tubes or compressive sort of bandages from pharmacy. And how you can wear this, again, same style, just put them on, and even you can cut them to desired length. And this, if you want to save, you know, some money, you can get this bandage, and this one you can wear under the short sleeve. Of course, if you want to look like from Star Wars, this is perfect for you. Tip number 3 is palazzo pants. Palazzo pants are hijabi's best friend. I've got example here from And Other Stories. And why do we like to wear palazzo pants? Because we can combine them with a short jacket, so we don't need to wear the long line jackets. We can just wear a short jacket up to your waist, or you can choose to wear sweatshirts or a blouse and you can tuck them in, and because the trousers are so loose, you will still look modest and chic. Is if you buy a midi dress, for example like these, they are a little bit shorter and your ankles are showing. What you can do, you can get this type of, you can use any leggings you have at home. So these ones are just some sort of leggings from the Gymshark, and I would just use them and for the dress just to cover my ankles. The other thing, if you have any jeans from which you are not wearing and they are a little bit too tight, you can also wear them under the dresses and this will look more modest. If you like any midi dress online and you think they might be a little bit short, you can of course find alternative dress in a tall section. ASOS and other online stores have this type of option, and if you are short, the dress will be long enough for you. Or you can combine the dress. If they are a little bit shorter and your ankles are showing, you can use boots, either ankle boots or a small bootie, and the outfit will look effortlessly classic and chic. 5 is strappy top. So if you have some sort of skimpy strappy top and it's very short, what you can do, you can layer it with the shirt. I will be showing you combination with the white crisp poplin shirt. This looks very Y2K, you know, like a Generation Z style, and it will add some sort of zest to your outfit and you can still look modest, and it's perfect hack. For example, if you have some tops which you don't wear and they are vintage, you will look perfectly stylish nowadays. Tip number 6 is these poplin shirts. I've got example of poplin shirts from Nakt and from Zara. So you don't need to get very long poplin shirts. The modest fashion hack with poplin shirts is that you can tie it at your waist if you are wearing skirt. You can wear just a long sleeve top under, and for Y2K fashionable look, you can tie it at the waist and you will look stylish and in. And if you choose to wear a long poplin shirt like this, you have many options. You can wear them over the jeans if your jeans are a little bit tight, because what you want to do, you want to balance outfit. If your bottom is tight, you want to wear top which is slightly more loose, and the other way around. If you are wearing loose bottoms, palazzo pants or wide leg trousers, you can afford to wear slightly more fitted top. And the other modest fashion hack is that you can get these shirts as short dresses. So if you are searching for modest outfits, for example on ASOS or other high street brands, try to enter to search for short dresses but long sleeve dresses, and if you choose white, you will get a white poplin long sleeve dress like this. Tip number 7 of my hijabi modest clothing hacks is to find waistcoats. What do I mean waistcoats? You will say it's not modest. Look at this, it doesn't have any sleeves, it's like see-through. And I've got another example here. So you will think, what are these waistcoats? They don't look modest. They do, because you will wear it on the top of outfit which is a little bit fitted, and that will look amazing and classy. I know some people might joke, oh, you will look like a pope, but no, you will look classy and effortlessly chic. Why I have these two? I've got this one from Zara, and it has a little base. It's like a little jacket on the top, and there is a base which is sort of viscose material. The top is more, it's a lined viscose, and the bottom is chiffony style see-through material. So how I would wear this type of waistcoat? I would wear it with the jeans and with a blouse. For example, I would wear it with the lace blouse which is a little bit see-through, or with some summery sort of shirt. I would wear it with kind of light shirt like this, and that will give me some extra coverage and it will not be see-through. So for example, if you have a summer blouse which is a little bit see-through, you can throw this on and you will look perfectly modest, and that's amazing modest hack. The problem is how to find this type of waistcoats. So when I search for them, I usually put in search, when I'm on Zara or Mango website, I put waistcoats. Some waistcoats come up which are just vests which are up to the waist. So this is the other one I've got from Mango. This one looks perfect, even if you want to combine it with any nude, camel nudes, this will look amazing. So this is my modest clothing hack number 7, and let's get to modest clothing hack number 8, and that because it's summer, so this is summer modest clothing hacks. I will do another one like this in winter. So for summer we want to wear something light, something just drapey and we don't want to feel hot. So I've got this blouse, and you can see this blouse is just again from Zara, and it's very much light see-through blouse, but because it has so much pattern you won't be able to see. So what you can do under, you can just wear short sleeve undershirt. And what I like about this blouse, it has longer back, so it is giving you modest coverage at the bottom. And the other example for the summer, I've got this blouse. So this blouse is from Needle and Thread, and again you can see this is kind of see-through blouse with little flowers. It comes with this sort of tank top, and this will make it perfectly modest, because when you wear this shirt you will get enough coverage. It has too much pattern. So, modest fashion hacks, tip number 9, and that is strappy dress. So you would think, look at this is the strappy dress. Are they modest? No, they have tiny straps, they are long, and if you go for hot season, favorite is a silky or satiny type dress. This dress you can dress up or down. Skimpy, they are not modest at all. How you can make this dress modest is that you will wear it over some sort of blouse. If you are going for glamorous occasion, you can throw on or you can throw on feathery jacket or a fur jacket, and if you wear it with the sandals and small clutch, you will look $1 million. The other tip is you can also dress it down. If you have silk, a satiny dress, you can wear a sweater or a jumper on the top, and you can wear a cowboy boots or trainers or high top sneakers with this dress, or even a ranger boots, and then you will look like one of the celebrities. The other tip is, if you want to get tunic or a poplin classic white shirt, you can shop in men's section. They have really good choice, and also the clothing will be modest. If you get size M, that will be probably enough for you. If you are normally size M, it will be really oversized. I noticed that some sweatshirts in sport shops for women are really short and tight. So the modest fashion hack is wear jumpsuit. Why? Because it's already nice and loose when you buy it, and it's integrated with the top. And what you can do, you can layer it with something. So this jumpsuit from another stories, a checked long line jumpsuit, and what I like about it is that you just throw this on, get ready and go. If you are a practical girl, if you don't like too much fizzy fuzzy around, so the jumpsuits are perfect for you. And it's a modest clothing hack, because you don't need to wear any other layers, you don't need to wear anything except if your jumpsuit has a straps instead of sleeves, you might have to wear something under. And the best trendy look would be if you wear, for example, crisp white shirt on the top like here, and you will look so trendy and put together. If you wear a jumpsuit, there are many jumpsuits which have strappy shoulders, and sometimes they are difficult to think how you can make it modest. You can throw a long sleeve top under, you can throw a white shirt under, and you will look classy, put together and modest. And the next hack with the jumpsuit is that you will never go wrong wearing jumpsuit. It's so easy, you can just pretty much throw it on without putting too much effort, and you will look put together, and you can go to the school, you can go to the meeting, you will always look classy. You can pair the jumpsuit with other parts of your outfit, such as blazer, you can pair it with the trainers for superb city look. And the last tip is the jeans. How can we get our jeans modest? Many jeans nowadays are very tight and skin tight. The perfect trend for hijabis is, and these 90s style jeans. Why? Because although they are a little bit tighter around the waist, they are loose at the bottom. You can just throw them on with anything, and try to go for acid wash jeans. Why? Because they will always look in and always classy. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my 10 and bonus tips for modest clothing and modest fashion hacks, not just for hijabis. and if you want to see more, I will try to upload at least once a week. Of course I will try to upload more, but I want to help you guys also with your medical and sort of healthcare things. I want to give you more of my knowledge. I want this channel to be more sort of learning channel, rather than, you know, itsy bitsy show off. So I want to bring you guys some value. I will not do that many vlogs actually. I will try to do more educational content. So if you guys want to learn anything, ask me anything. If you guys want to do medicine, I can help you with it. In fact, I'm going to be making videos how to study medicine. So I'm going to make a video how to become a doctor without any debt. So if this is something what rocks your boat, sign up and I will see you later. Bye, Masalan.